Hello students, welcome back in my class. Today we will discuss chapter number 3 of class 7 geography, our changing earth. Okay student, in the previous class we have discussed about lithosphere, okay? And lithosphere is divided into two parts, that is continental crust and oceanic crust. Okay, this we will discuss here. Here it is saying that the lithosphere is broken into a number of plates known as lithospheric plate. It means that it is very clear the uppermost layer of the earth, is known as lithosphere, and this lithosphere is made up of various plates, and these plates is known as lithospheric plates. So before going further, just let's go into the background. What is the background of it? Initially scientists were of the opinion that the positions of the continents and the oceans were fixed. Okay. However, with an increase in human knowledge, it was discovered that the continents were in a state of constant motion, and the movement was due to changes taking place inside our dynamic earth. Now we have discussed that our earth is dynamic. Why it is dynamic? Because continuous changes takes place inside as well as on the surface of the earth. In 1912, Professor Alfred Wegener, he was a German meteorologist. He wrote a book, The Origin of Continents and Oceans. In this book he suggested the theory of continental drift. Okay, and what is this theory? According to this theory, all the continents were once joined together as one supercontinent known as Pangaea, okay, which began to break about 200 million years ago, resulting in the drifting apart of the continents from each other. Okay, his theory was reaffirmed by the discovery of new evidence in form of seafloor spreading. Later on, the scientific theory that described the large scale motions of the lithosphere is known as theory of plate tectonics. And here this plate tectonics, this lithospheric plates is known as plate tectonics. Okay, what is plate tectonic theory? According to theory of plate tectonic, the lithosphere is divided into several large and small irregularly shaped plates. Okay, irregularly shaped plates called lithospheric plate, which can be continental or oceanic in nature. In the previous chapter we have discussed that this lithospheric plate may be it can be continental or it can be oceanic in nature. The lithospheric plates found beneath the continents is known as continental crust. Okay, and the lithospheric plates which is found beneath the ocean is called oceanic crust. Is it very clear? Okay, so this lithospheric plate we are discussing about, and it is believed that they are floating, that is this lithospheric plate are floating on the molten magma or the plastic asthenosphere. You all are knowing what magma is in molten state. Okay, and above above mantle it is crust, and crust it floats on the mantle. Okay, and are in state of constant motion, because the matter present in the mantle, it is in molten state and continuous motion takes place in it. Okay, and due to this great heat, the upper crust or the lithospheric plate found on it, they also in continuous motion. Okay, these movements takes place mainly due to the heat generated within the interior of the earth. Got it? This is the background, that how what are lithospheric plate, how they are moving. So in order to understand this, just let us see an example. Here an example is given in a book. See, take a small colored paper pellet and put it in a beaker half filled with water. Okay, place the beaker on a tripod stand and heat it. As the water warms up, you will observe that the paper pellet is moving upward along with the warm layers of water, and then sinks back along with the cooler layers of water. The molten magma inside the earth moves in a similar manner. Got it? Yeah. Now, here you can get how this lithospheric is continuously in motion. Okay, because this molten magma found in the mantle, it puts pressure on the above lithospheric plate, and when this lithospheric plate move, continuous movement takes place on the earth surface. Okay, now let's see the movement of these plates causes changes on the surface of the earth. All the changes which is found on the earth's surface as well as in the interior, they are all take place due to this continuous motion of the molten magma, which puts pressure on the lithospheric plate. The earth movement are divided on the basis of the forces which cause them. Okay, the force which act in the interior of the earth are called as endogenic forces. What it means? Endogenic forces means, endo means interior. Okay, the word endogenic means interior, and the forces means the forces which act inside or interior of the earth. So these endogenic forces, they take place inside the earth. Okay, and the forces that work on the surface of the earth are called exogenetic forces. Okay, it takes place, exogenic forces takes place on the surface of the earth. Now here a chart is given. Let's see. It shows the movement of the earth. Here, earth movement, it is basically of two types: endogenic forces, which takes place interior of the earth; exogenic forces, which takes place on the surface of the earth. Okay, now endogenic forces include sudden forces, diastrophic forces. Okay, and what are these sudden forces? These are like earthquake, volcano, landslides. These are all endogenic forces, which are sudden forces. And diastrophic forces are building mountains. You know that mountain building process we will discuss later. Okay, now here it is exogenic forces. Exogenic forces are erosion and depositional. Okay, and how they took place? They are took place by the by moving river, wind, sea waves, glaciers. These are river, wind, sea waves, and glaciers. These are agent of denudation, which take place, the erosion and deposition. And these erosion and deposition are exogenic process. Okay, so students, in this chapter we will discuss till here. Okay, you just go through the background of this this lithospheric plate. Go through the the continental drift theory and the theory of plate tectonic in order to understand this chapter, okay, easily. Okay, till then, bye, take care.